Dreams don't work unless you do. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Dream big, stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey. Fight for your dreams, and your dreams will fight for you. Think, believe, dream, and dare. Study while others are sleeping. Work while others are laughing. Prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. The future starts today, not tomorrow. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep. Dreams are things which do not let you sleep. If you want to reach your goals and dreams, you cannot do it without discipline. Never give up on your dreams. Dream big, start small, act now. The barrage between reality and a dream is work. Don't ever let someone tell you that you cannot do something. You got a dream, you gotta protect it. When people cannot do something themselves, they are going to tell you that you cannot do it. You want something, go get it. Period. Go for it now. The future is promised to no one. It takes a lot of courage to show your dreams to someone else. Explore, dream, discover. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. Fear is the most subtle and destructive of all human diseases. Fear kills dreams. and hope. All of our dreams can come true. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hear you to build theirs. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. Keep your dreams alive. Understand, to achieve anything requires faith and belief in yourself. Vision, hard work, determination, and dedication. Remember, all things are possible for those who believe. Open your eyes, for this world is only a dream. Each dream you leave behind is a part of your future that will no longer exist. Believe in love, believe in magic. Hell, believe in Santa Claus. Believe in others. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. If you don't, who will? God knows the dreams and desires in your heart. In fact, He gave them to you. He will order your steps and take you where you need to be.